Hi, Sarah. So it's good to see you again. So remember, last time when we were in tutoring, right, we talked about adding fractions with common denominators. But what do we do when we do not have the same denominator? For example, we have 1 over 4 plus 2 over 5. Hmm, 4 and 5 are not the same, right? No. So what do we have to do? We have to find a common denominator. Good job. 4 and 5. Think to yourself, what is a factor of both 4 and 5? What do they both share in common? Well, you're super smart, so I knew you were going to get it. 20, right? 4 can go into 20, and so can 5. So we are going to change, right? We're going to change our fractions to have 20 as the common denominator. Say it with me. Common denominator. What is it called? A common denominator. Good job. So ask yourself, well, I'm thinking, how did I get from 4 to 20? In order to get from 4 to 20, I had to multiply it by 5. What about from 5 to 20? 5, 10, 15, 20. So I have to multiply it by what? I have to multiply it by 4. Good job. So remember, common denominator, we took 4 and we multiplied it by 5 to get 20. And then we took 5 and we multiplied it by 4 to get 20. Now, Sarah, remember, what did I tell you last week? Good job. Whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So if we multiplied 4 by 5 to get 20, we need to multiply 1 by 5 as well. 1 times 5 equals what? Number times itself should give you 5. So I'm going to write 5. And then on the other side, what did we do? We multiplied 5 by 4 to get 20. So I've got to multiply 2 by 4. 2 by 4, let's count. Ready, go. 2, 4, 6, 8. Good job. So now I have a common denominator. I'm going to say that's the same. That's the same. Good job. So I have 5 over 20 now plus 8 over 20. Now my common denominator is the same, so I don't need to do anything with it. I'm just going to drop it down. Say drop it down. All right, so we went ahead and dropped it down. And now I can just add the numerators. 5 plus 8. Let's do that together. Ready, go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 over 20. So remember these easy steps. When you are adding fractions with a different denominator, you want to, 1, find the common denominator. Then 2, you want to make them the same. So you need to multiply whatever you multiplied at the bottom to get to the common denominator. You have to do the top. And then, if possible, you want to simplify. Now, 13 does not have any factors except for itself and 1 because it is prime. So we are going to leave it as 13 over 20. So remember, 1, want to find the common denominator. Then you want to multiply the bottom and the top by the same number to get whatever you did to the bottom, you need to do to the top. And then if it can be simplified, you want to simplify. But in this case, we can't because 13 is a prime number. Remember? All right, now I want to see what you can do on your own. Let's see if you can do 3 over 6 plus 2 over 4. I know you can do it. Go.